A 12 years old girl from Central Assam's West Karbi Anglong district was allegedly murdered and burned alive by the owner of a house where she worked as a domestic help. She was also found to be pregnant. A, a minor employed forward sexual abuse, pregnant at 12, born alive. There is no news of this in the national media, no candle marches. Why? Because it is Assam, so the life of a young girl does not matter. Please support the campaign for her justice. The monsters should be hanged to death. We need justice for Anjali Deimari. Is a Bodo tribal girl. She raped by gang ravaged in the jungle and they kill her on 09/04/2021. We need justice for Sharmila Rongfi. Is a 12 years of tribal girls have raped by Prakash Borthakur, 68 years of old, and his son Noyan Jyoti Borthakur, 31 years of old. They raped to her and burned her alive their home. 22/042/2021. But till the Assam Gov and central government and Assam police are not take action upon them, I think they want to finish the tribal communities from Assam. We don't have rights, we don't have safety, we don't have security, and we don't have justice. If we don't like the tribal community, then divide this Assam for tribal tribes. We will live peacefully in our tribal area. हर साल हमारी ट्राइबल लड़की को रेप किया जाता है एंड बर्न एलिव किल्स एलिव खिलार को और रेफर को 3-4 मान जेल पर रखते हैं और जेल से बेल देकर फ्री कर देता है. We are tribal and we also the citizens of India living in India. We are the human and we are not animals. We have rights to live in India. We have right to speak on legally and we have right to stay as a humanity in this India. It is my humble request to central government of India. We are the tribal community of Assam state. We need full tribal safety and separate land in Assam. Thank you.